A metric that specifically relates to safety is a Safety Performance Indicator, SPI. I'm going to be using a definition compatible with the ANSI UL 4600 Autonomous Vehicle Safety Standard for SPIs. For use with 4600, an SPI is a measurement used to measure or predict safety. There are lagging SPI metrics. This measures how it turned out, such as the arrival rate of adverse events compared to risk budget. So you might have a non-zero number of crashes per hour, but it should be a very low number. The SPI would measure how crashes are happening in terms of the allowable budget. And incidents. These could have been a loss event, except you got lucky and there was nothing there to hit, although something could have been hit if you're unlucky. For example, running a red light or traveling the wrong direction in a lane of travel. These are called lagging because it has to do with how the vehicle actually behaved on the road, which lags behind the design process. You also need leading metrics to predict safety. Leading metrics are things that can go wrong, but don't necessarily produce a crash. They're just a symptom of something's not quite right, and they should be predictive of eventually, if you keep doing that, you'll eventually have a crash. The question is, how do you take some measurement and know that it's a leading metric other than just by saying, well, it sounds like it might be? And the answer to that is you link the leading SPIs to the safety case.